Fox 10 News had an exclusive interview with Judge Claude Neilson. So far, we've only heard some of what the judge thought about the Herman Thomas trial. And now Fox 10 News reporter Libby Amos joins us live with more from the judge. Libby?
Bob, one of the things Judge Neilson and I talked about in depth was the not guilty verdict in the trial. The verdict came as a surprise to many of our viewers and some of the jurors as well. I asked the judge point blank how he would explain his decision.
When the verdict was handed down, a lot of people were totally surprised. They didn't see this one coming. And some of these people were angry.
Nobody really knows how a case is unless you sit in the courtroom and see and hear the evidence. What you hear on radio and TV are just snippets, and what you read in the newspaper are just snippets. So to really make an informed decision, you have to be in the courtroom, and the jury reached on 7 counts, 6 of them sexual assault in the first degree, found not guilty, and one, I think it was one assault in the second degree was not guilty, and they were not able to reach a verdict on the others. So I feel like the jury did, and I read all of the stuff about after them coming forward and saying it wasn't a unanimous verdict, but no one said anything in court. But I felt like, you know, the long story short, if you're not in the courtroom and you don't see and hear people, and you can't really make a judgment about whether someone's innocent or guilty unless you're there and see what goes on.
Judge Neilson shared much more of his unique viewpoint of the trial with us. And Monday night, we're going to bring you our special report on the judge.